pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.
Good morning, my loves. It is Wednesday morning and my mail usually comes between 5 and 7 in the evening. I woke up to this on the back porch. No other mail but this. I think they're doing packages this month differently, but anyhow, I'm thinking this is the premium and not the luxe, but I won't find out until I get in here. So, it's December. Has everybody finished their shopping? Has anybody started it? I'm halfway done, I think. I am super excited about this, though. I've watched a few of you guys because I couldn't wait with unboxing. It is the premium. Okay, here it is. Yay. Oh my gosh. Whimsy is the theme. I don't even know what whimsy means. And of course you get the card. This is the $35 a month subscription. And the card tells you the prices of the products that are in here. We all knew from spoilers that we were getting the Storybook cosmetics. And I definitely am excited about this. I've never used these products before. Okay, let me look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. Aw, look at that. All right, wait. I don't want to blind you. It comes with a mirror. There's no protective on the mirror. Is there? Oh, there is. Okay. Lately, they're so thin, I can't even tell. Okay. These are really pretty colors. I'm liking that. All right, so what is this worth? $55. That makes the box worth it right there. Although I would not want to get just an eyeshadow palette. All right, let's see what else we got. All right. Glow Recipe Watermelon Juice Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is for oily to combo skin. Okay, that makes me excited because usually I get dry skin products. And we all experience dry skin in the winter, I think, but some of us ladies are still a little oily. Okay, I cannot open this. Where are my scissors? So yeah, I'm excited. Definitely could use another moisturizer, one that's not super heavy, one that doesn't make me break out. Oh my gosh. I'm still, oh, that's it. I'm ripping the box. We want to get in here and see everything. Okay, so oh, this is really cute. Look at that. Okay, wait. I want to, there you are. Okay, it's really, really cute. I really like this packaging. Oh, wow. Okay, so this, ooh, it does smell like watermelon for sure. This must be, yeah, okay. So this is neat. I'm excited. I don't know what it does besides moisturize. I don't think it said anti-aging in there. Ooh. Ooh, it feels good. It's nice and cooling. Okay, so we got that. Then I see Agave Bite Beauty Nighttime Lip Therapy. Okay, wait a minute. I didn't tell you what the moisturizer was worth. Did we all get the same thing again? Okay. There's no variation 28. Okay. So the Glow Recipe was $39. Okay. And then this here is the lip treatment that I've seen others get. That is $22. And it's a deeply hydrating lip mask. See, that's good. We get the moisturizer for the oily skin, but we all need dry lips. Forget it. They'll crack and all kinds of stuff. Yep. And here we are with the little spatula it comes with. I'm not sure if it has a scent. It does, and it smells pretty good. Okay, so that's cool. I'm excited for that. Next, I see Kat Von D Cake Pencil Intensely Rich Eyeliner. And what is... It's $19. Okay, Okay. I usually use black liners, but we always need one for the waterline. Definitely. And you can always use black. Black is like my favorite liner. Ooh, and that is nice and rich for sure. Hopefully it won't smudge or anything like that. For 19 bucks, it better not. Okay. What do I got? What is Basic Beauty? Wet Glow Trio. Multi-use highlight. Designed to be wore over makeup for a blinding light-catching glow. Okay. This is a $30 value. It comes in a box. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, let me lift the plastic off. My box is kind of damaged. That's weird. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it. The box is kind of damaged right there. And it definitely feels like there's oil in here. Yeah, there's something. It probably just smudged. Anyhow, those are pretty shades. No Spray Tans, Fiji, and Barbie Dreamhouse. That's cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, so I'm not going to swatch it. Because this is the month to do giveaways, to give back to all of you. Okay, let me see. What else do I got? Is that it? Nope, one more item. I don't know why they give us such a big box. Okay, Avent Hyaluronic Vitamin C. What? Moisturizer. Okay, so we got 2 moisturizers. The Pink Juice Moisturizer and was the other one. And this one here, which you can't see because of the lighting, there it is $134. This is a night eye cream. Okay, so it's face and an eye cream for nighttime. And it does have anti-aging properties. It helps with enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. A weakened skin surface. All right, that's a little interesting. $134. Wow. I better look 10 years younger next week. That's kind of crazy. I do love hyaluronic acid and I love my skincare. Okay, so that is everything that was in this box. I'm happy with it. I'm just surprised we got 2 moisturizers. And, well, the lip one I'm really excited about. That definitely, because I get super dry lips in the winter. And I'm definitely excited to try this too. This eyeshadow palette. Okay, so what did you guys think? Was it worth it this month? Did you get 2 moisturizers? Usually I am super happy with everything, and I am. I mean, it definitely was worth it. And I do love skincare, so that's a plus. But I want to know what you guys think. Did you guys, what variation did you get if you got it? Mine was, what was it? 28. And I want to know if you got 2 moisturizers as well. Let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so very much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you are not subscribed, I would love it if you would become a part of the family, and if you are returning, thank you so much for doing that. I really do appreciate you. Okay, have a great day. I will see you guys later. Bye.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.